my experience with a unique eyebrow tool that's been a total game changer. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm excited to share with you my experience with a unique eyebrow tool that's been a total game changer for me. If you're struggling with stubborn eyebrows like I was, keep watching because this video is for you. So, let's take a closer look at this amazing tool. The first thing I noticed was its ergonomic design, which fits comfortably in my hand. The instructions were clear and easy to follow, and I appreciated the included guide on how to shape and maintain my eyebrows. I began by prepping my eyebrows by washing and drying them. Then, I carefully followed the instructions to shape and trim my brows using the tool. The process was surprisingly easy and painless, and I was impressed by how effectively the tool removed stray hairs and defined my brow shape. And here are the results. My eyebrows looked perfectly groomed, with a defined shape and no stray hairs. The tool had also helped to remove any excess hair, leaving my brows looking neat and tidy. I'm thoroughly impressed with this unique eyebrow tool. Its effectiveness in achieving well-groomed brows is undeniable, and I appreciate its ease of use and ergonomic design. If you're struggling with stubborn eyebrows like I was, I highly recommend giving this tool a try. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. If you have any questions or want to share your own experiences with this tool, leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more beauty tutorials and product reviews. See you in the next video.